Hi. So let's see in this video, instead of using some, let's try to compute some real values, right? So since we know these are the daily data, so let's compute the daily log return, right? So log, which is ln return, and we know this is equal to log, which is a daily return is a day over day changes, right? So pretty much, which is, since we are using the adjusted close, so t2 divided by T1, right? And enter, because we are data is in ascending order, so that's why we're taking like this. And you notice it's pre-populated, so I just remove the first one. So this one, we got our log return. So let's say what's the skewness on our return. So if I do the skew and then select this one, I'll get the skew is zero point 0.5. And what's the process? It has a little bit skew, but not that skew. So basically, we assume the data is normally distributed, but maybe some is minor. It's still close to zero. So kurtosis is, if I come here and then it's still a little bit 3, right? So it's close to the standard normal distribution. It's a little bit over 3, but usually 3 should be good. So this is how we compute the log return and skewness and kurtosis. In the next video, we'll look into the standard deviation and average and other stuff. Thanks.